This trick will change your home. If you think your cleaning products are effective, wait until you see this method. Prepare a large jar. Take a laundry capsule with your favorite scent and color. The capsule effectively dissolves grease and dirt while leaving a beautiful, long-lasting fragrance. Add the capsule to the jar. Now, for the lemon. It works as a natural cleaner that enhances the liquid's power. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the jar. Also, add the peel and leftover fruit. Pour hot water over everything, leaving some space in the jar. Stir everything well. Close the jar and let it sit for an hour to allow the mixture to fully activate its cleaning power. After that, prepare a dispenser bottle, preferably with a pump. Pour the liquid into the container, and it's ready to use. Your all-purpose cleaning liquid is now ready. Use it for cleaning kitchen counters, tables, sinks, and faucets. It effectively removes dirt and grease. With this simple recipe, you'll create an effective, fragrant, and eco-friendly cleaner.